Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. If you are watching this video, I'm pretty sure you want to come to Australia and study. But if you are still wondering about the universities, the place, tuition fees and other factors, well, congratulations, you are on the right YouTube channel. So before getting started with the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you'll get notified each time I upload the video. So today's topic is how to choose a university in Australia. I think this is one of the most important decisions. So you have to do research on it. So how to choose which university is better for you. I want to share you one of my experience. I'm also an international student here in Australia. So when I was planning to come to Australia, I had no idea how to choose university. But after certain years, after certain time, I know now. And I can share you some information that I know. First of all, if you are planning to come to Australia, I'm pretty sure you have figured out some of the places and some of the universities that you want to enroll. If not, don't worry, I'll take you there. First of all, Australia has 7 states and each state has several universities. It is a home to 43 universities. For example, South Australia has numerous universities like Flinders University, Torrens Universities, University of South Australia, University of Adelaide and so on. You can access this information from the link I will provide in the first link in the description below. Yeah? You have an option to choose from 43 range of universities. That means the first step would be making a list of universities that you want to enroll into. But before making any list or choosing any university, you have to make sure, go through the university website and check whether they are offering the same course that you want to study or not. If they are not, there is no point in doing that. Yeah, later on in this series, I'll make the videos about which place will be better for students, what are the regional areas of Australia and so on. But let's stick with the video's topic only. After doing the research about the course you want to study, so you have a list of universities on a note that you are interested to go there and study. So if you have desire to go to certain place, certain universities, just sort the list of the universities by place and your desire. But if you have no idea about where to go and where to study, trust me, let's move forward. Since I'm also an international student, money is a big deal here. If money is not a big deal for you, you can handle yourself, your tuition fees, and you think you will not face any financial hardship while studying here, trust me, go for the best university possible. If money is the big deal, you have to make a rational decision. Money here in Australia means tuition fee. The tuition fee for the same program with the same subject could vary from university to university, and I don't know the reason. Maybe because of the reputation, maybe because of the market value, no idea. You can access the tuition fee details in their university website, so you don't have to do much research on this topic. If you want to do the same course with a lower tuition fee in different universities, please feel free to go, because it doesn't matter, you have the same degree, value remains the same. Now for example, if you had 10 number of universities before and you have sorted it out by place and this study and programs, now you have 5 left. The other aspect to choose a university would be the rankings. There are 3 significant university rankings, namely QS World Ranking Universities, Academic Ranking of World Universities, Times Higher Education World University Rankings. I'll make another dedicated video on how this university system, ranking system works. The analysis of this world ranking of the universities plays a vital role. It means something. Besides the world ranking, what I would suggest personally to check the students' review of that university or of that particular course. The feedbacks could be from alumni or could be from currently studying students. That matters the most because they have experience or they are really experiencing what is going on there. The reviews are available in Google or it is available in the university website itself because they have to make it transparent. Anyways, most of the aspects such as feedbacks, infrastructures, teaching and learning experience are included in the world ranking system, which I will make another dedicated video later. But one thing I would suggest is to check the employability rate of that university, or if you can find the employability rate of that particular program, that would be more better. The employability rate means what is the chances of getting a job after your graduation or after finishing your course. After considering all these aspects, I know you still have 2 or 3 names of universities on your hand. Please choose wisely. It doesn't matter where you go, it doesn't matter how much you spend, it matters how you study. If you seriously want to study, you can study anyway. Alright. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I was a little bit of help to you. Well, I'll be making more informative videos in coming days. So before leaving, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. You can comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer, and I'll try to make a video out of it. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching and have a good future. Thank you. Bye.